In this video, we're going to look at why the bootstrapping method requires sampling with replacement. To quickly recall, bootstrapping is where we take our sample data and use it to create multiple new samples of the same size by randomly selecting values with replacement. So why do we do this with replacement? Well, the answer is that our bootstrap samples are the same size as the original data set. And so if we sampled without replacement, we would end up with the same data set over and over. And if you wanted to create an interval of like the average or the standard deviation, it's not going to work because all of those samples are going to have the same summary statistics. So let's give a visual example and show why this is. Let's take the example from the book of the professor's students and their average incomes. So we have 0, 2, 3, and 7 in thousands of dollars. And let's pretend that these numbers are tokens in a bag. And to create our samples, we're going to draw them out of the bag at random.